Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to download and install Windows 11 26H2. So let's get started. First, open your browser and search for UUP dump. Select the dev channel. Choose the latest Windows 11 Insider Preview build 26300.8697. Select your preferred language and click Next. Choose the Windows edition you want, then click Next. Select Download and Convert to ISO, enable Include Updates, and click Create Download Package. After the download finishes, extract the zip file. Run the executable file as an administrator. Then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. That's it. This is how you can download and install Windows 11 26H2. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.